Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Jayapatākā Sivasadi
The following is a South Indian bhajan performance with the explanations given by His Holiness Jayapatākā Swami Maharaj on July 20th, 1981 in Madras, India.
Kadachit kalindi tada vihina sangita karavo mudabire nari vadana kamala swada madhupaha rama shambhu brahma surapati ganeshachita pado
Jagannath Swami Jayapataka Bhavatu me
Bhuje savye venum shirasi chikipucham kaditade Kulam netrante sagachara kadacham vilasayan Sada Srimad Vrindavana vasati lila parichayo
Jagannath Swami Jayapataka Bhavatu me
Mahambode stire kanakaruchire Nilashikare vasan prasadantara sagaja badabhadrena bharina subhadra madhyastana sagalasura sevavasarado
Jagannath Swami Jayapataka Bhavatu me
Kripa paravaraha sajala jalada sreni ruchiro ramavani ramaha puradamala mankeruha mukaha surendrai aradhyaha srujiganashita gitacharito
Jagannath Swami Jayapataka Bhavatu me
Ratarudo gachan Padimilita Bhudeva Padalaihi Studi Pradurbhavam Pratimadurvagna Sajayaha Daya Sindhurbanduhu Sagala Jagata Sindhu Sudaya
Jagannath Swami Jayapataka Bhavatu me
Parabrahma Pidaga Kuvalaya Dalotpallanayano Nivasi Niladro Nigata Charanun Ananta Shirati Rasanando Radha Sarasa Vapura Lingana Sukho
Jagannath Swami Jayapataka Bhavatu me
Navayache Rajyam Nachaganaka Manikya Vibhavam Nayacheham Ravyam Sakala Janakavyam Varavadhum Sada Kale Kale Pramata Pachina Gita Charito
Jagannath Swami Jayapataka Bhavatu me
Haratkum Samsaram Dhrutatarasaram Surapade Haratkum Papano Vimadivara Yadavapade Ahodhinanado Nihitam Ajalam Nischitapadam
Jagannath Swami Jayapataka Bhavatu me
The Mangalacharam. Mangalacharam is always chanted, the obeisances to the personality of Godhead. Today, the Mangalacharam and Jagannath Stotram, worshipping Lord Jagannath. The devotee is anxious that Jagannath may see his service. When we pray Jagannatha Swami Nayanapatagami Bhavatumi, we do not think that we will see Jagannath with these eyes. Because material eyes cannot see the Lord who is Satchidananda Vigraha, who is transcendental, eternal, blissful knowledge. These material eyes are flesh. They can see only flesh. But by the Lord's mercy, one is given Dibya Drishti, or divine vision. And with that divine vision, one is able to recognize his eternal relationship with the Supreme Lord. So, the devotee is eager that he may be able to recognize and understand his relationship with the Lord, and especially that the Lord may recognize the devotee as his own servitor, as his own eternal, dependent devotee. So we pray, Jagannath Swami Nayanapatagami Bhava to me. That we're eager that let Jagannath see our service. Let Jagannath recognize our devotion. What does it matter in the whole world if they think or speak nicely about us if Jagannath is not pleased? We want to satisfy Jagannath, therefore we pray to him that our service may be recognized by him. And when we are recognized by Jagannath, naturally we will be able to see Jagannath with divine vision. And in that transcendental realization, we shall be filled with transcendental, eternal, blissful knowledge, which has no comparison in this world.